Hey guys, if you're wondering when iOS 26 Beta 3 is gonna drop, here's what you need to know. Based on Apple's usual beta cycle, we'd probably see Beta 3 roll out about 2 weeks after Beta 2. Since Beta 2 was released on June 23, 2025, as noted on Wikipedia, you can expect it around the first week of July. It means around July 1st or possibly on July 8th. Along with this, Apple will be dropping iOS 26 Public Beta 1 for public users. If you're already on the developer beta, you're going to get it as an over-the-air update. Just go to Settings, tap on General, then click on Software Update. As for what's coming, Apple would likely include more bug fixes, UI tweaks, and maybe a couple new features they've been holding back. So if you're testing iOS 26, make sure your device is charged, back it up just in case, and keep an eye out for that update. I'll keep you posted as soon as it drops. See ya!